In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import themes in Google Sites for the year 2025. Whether you're sprucing up an existing site or starting fresh, this simple guide will help you get the most from the Google Sites platform with beautifully designed themes, created just for you. First, let's talk about why customizing themes can make a big difference. Having a well thought out theme not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also makes navigation intuitive for your viewers. Remember, your website is often the first impression visitors have of your project or business, and a cohesive theme can convey professionalism, creativity, and attention to detail. Now, let's dive into the steps. To start with, you'll need to have access to Google Sites. If you haven't created a site yet, simply navigate to sites.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Google Sites dashboard, you'll notice a range of options on the sidebar where all the magic will happen. The first thing you need to do is click on the Themes option in the toolbar on the right side of your screen. This will take you to the Themes section, where you can see all the options available for your site. Once you're in the Themes section, it's time to import. Look for the import icon. It's typically represented by a small arrow pointing downwards or a folder icon. Clicking this will open up the import options. You'll see a dialog box that connects to your Google Drive. If you've previously saved some custom themes on your Google Drive, you're already ahead of the game. If not, you'll need to ensure that your desired themes have been safely uploaded there. After the dialog box has opened, navigate through your Google Drive files to locate the folder containing your Google site themes. Take your time here, a clear naming convention for themes can be very helpful. Once you've found it, select the themes you'd like to import. You can select one or multiple themes based on what you need. When happy with your selection, click the Select button. The themes will be imported to your Google Sites Themes panel. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. And there you have it. Your imported themes are now ready to go. You can apply them by simply choosing from this list and watching your site transform with new colors, fonts, and layouts. Remember, you can always tweak these themes further for a more personalized look. Explore color schemes and typography settings to match your branding perfectly. With just a few clicks, you now have a website that not only looks great, but is also functional and efficient for your visitors. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps elevate your projects on Google Sites in 2025. Happy site building!